I know.
Wait. Fuck off.
Maybe. I don't know where it was though. Maybe. Or if you're holding it when you're using the shovel, it did not drop anything. Oh, I don't know then. Dude, there's a lot of things happening near me. The fucking guy's so blasting at the mimics, dude.
Shit ton of this.
Oh, it's fine. Holy shit! Holy fuck, dude! Holy shit! Oh no. No, don't leave! Don't do it! Holy shit! Holy shit! No, he's escaping,
Hey, come back, come back.
Where's the rest?
I have the rest. The rest is by the
This is fine!